Hello, today we will guide you through how to invert colors on CapCut. To get started, open the CapCut app on your device. Once the app launches, make sure you're on the main editing screen so you can begin working on your project. If you already have a project open, that's fine too, as long as you're ready to bring your video into the timeline. Next, drag your sample video into the timeline. This is the area where you build and edit your project, and placing the clip there allows you to apply changes directly to it. Take a moment to confirm that the video has been added correctly and is visible in the preview window. That way, when you apply the color effect, you'll be able to immediately see the result. After your clip is in place, go to the top of the screen and click on Filters. This section gives you access to CapCut's built-in visual effects that can quickly change the look and mood of your footage. Since inverting colors is handled through a filter in this workflow, this is where you'll find the option you need. Once you're in the filters area, use the search function and type in negative. This helps narrow down the available filters so you can locate the correct one faster, especially if you're working with a large filter library. The negative filter is typically the one used to create an inverted color effect, turning light areas dark and shifting colors into their opposite values for that classic inverted look. When you find the negative filter, drag the sample negative filter onto your video. Applying it this way adds the inverted color effect to the clip in your timeline. As soon as it's placed, check the preview to make sure the footage now looks the way you expect. If the effect appears across the clip, then the color inversion has been applied successfully, and that's all it takes to invert colors on CapCut. This is a quick and useful effect for creating a stylized visual, testing dramatic edits, or giving your footage a surreal look. If needed, you can review the clip in the timeline to make sure the filter is sitting in the right place and affecting the intended video. With just a few simple actions, you can completely transform the appearance of your footage using the negative filter in CapCut.